I never apologize for my reaction to someone else's action. You choose your action and I choose my response. Don't think I don't have feelings like you because I am human being. So other people, they can abuse you and they think maybe you don't react about that abuse. I can leave you quietly or dump you because I am a human being. Even you are abusing me, I can keep quiet at that time, but I count for you 1, 2, 3. But I can say this is enough and I react. Even you insult me. When you insult me, yes, I can insult you back again. You understand? And don't say that maybe I'm the one who start the fight, what, because some of the people, they want to abuse you, even at school or at work. Other people, they love to abuse other people. You understand? Maybe you think maybe that person can't react, but you can be shocked that person start reacting on you. Yes, it's very good to react because other people, they want to take someone's kindness for granted. So you have to react. Don't apologize to say I apologize for your reaction. That person was one who start that fight, who start to act, and you are react. And those people, when you are reacting, they start blaming you. They don't blame the one who start the fight.